new here, welcome. Thank you all so much for the love shown my previous video, which is the first post on this channel. I appreciate that a lot. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I'll be giving you guys not a lot, but I'm giving you guys tips and tricks on how to perfect your eyebrow. So you better sit back and watch. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. I use this Spuli brush. I bought this from MissSignature. I just brush up my eyebrows. And then I use my brow pencil. I use this brow pencil from Signature as well. This is in the shade dark chocolate. I'll leave the all the products I use in the description box. So, and make sure your eyebrow is sharp. I'll just draw a line just underneath my brows, my natural brow. Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, but I'll just use like stroke method like this, because I want my eyebrow to be natural, to look natural, although it's not natural. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then to clean up, I am using this two concealer. This is from L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade 336 and this one is in the shade 340 chestnut. And I'm using this flat brush. Ooh. I use this lighter shade for this part, like the middle part. And then for my, where is this concealer? Okay, sorry. And then for this part, I'll be using this darker shade. This is in the shade 340. And then I'm gonna blend this. For this part, I use like a dark concealer or like my foundation, because I want my eyebrow to look natural. Otherwise, guys. So we can just leave it like this, hey? Okay, I'm joking. Okay, let me use this brush to blend this part because I feel like it's not blended. This is not the blending brush, by the way, but I work with what I have. If you want your arc to be like flat as this one, and then you adjust this one as well. I think I love this one. Okay, I love this one. I love this one. So I'll use my pencil to flatten this part. Yeah, I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. Otherwise, guys, it's not as so many identical. This is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next.